Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Iron Fist Marvel Rivals Easy Guide. Begin by entering character settings and selecting Iron Fist, then assign basic attacks to face buttons, map power moves to triggers, and fine-tune timing and practice mode for consistent combos. Focus on mixing light and heavy strikes, using special moves to punish openings, and practicing movement to stay mobile during engagements for success. Start with basic combos and build up to advanced sequences using meter wisely. Practice short strings, then extend with specials. Focus on timing and positioning to ensure hits connect, and use recovery frames to avoid counters. Study common matchups and adapt combos versus specific characters. Record and review your matches to find consistent openings. Then drill those scenarios in practice mode until execution becomes natural and reliable for steady improvement. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful and want more character guides. On another note, check out the product seen here. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control, it's a fun way to keep your space tidy between sessions. Check the description for the link and deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Defend by mastering blocks, parries, and spacing to minimize damage. Use backdash and aerial escapes to reset pressure, and interrupt predictable strings with fast normals. Learn punish windows for common moves and prioritize meter management when low on health. Keep stage awareness to avoid corner traps, and alternate between aggression and retreat to bait unsafe responses. Always warm up with targeted drills before competitive play to sharpen reactions and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.